Hello?
Where are you? The Viewmont Oscars are about to start.
That's today?
Yes, and we can't be a second late. They're already waiting for us to announce the winners.
I still have to get ready. I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
Whatever, figure it out. I'm not going to be late because of you.
Okay, I'm here.
What took you so long?
I grabbed the wrong car from home.
Okay, it's about to start. We gotta go.
Where are we supposed to go?
The auditorium. I think it's that way.
We're locked out.
Let's try that way.